Welcome to SGNR Steno Classes. Dictation start now. 6 mainstream parties of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday vowed to work together for the restoration of its special status under the Indian Constitution. Full stop. On August 5, 2019, the Centre hollowed out Article 370 and dismembered Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories through a dubious legislative route. Full stop. Saturday joint declaration in a reiteration of their Gupkar declaration a day before the center's move last year. Full stop. Still, this signal a slow return of political activity in Jammu and Kashmir, which had been stalled for over a year. Full stop. With leaders in jail and curve on communication and gathering, mainstream politics has been under lockdown even as militancy showed an uptick. Full stop. Several leaders have been released, but many still remains in detention, including former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti. Besides the PDP's Miss Mufti, the declaration was signed by NC President Farooq Abdullah, People's Conference Chief Sajjad Lon, Jammu and Kashmir Congress President G.A. Mir, M.Y. Taragami of the CPI, and Muzaffar Shah of the Awami National Conference. Full stop. They have said the political activities will be subservient to the sacred goal of reverting to the status of Jammu and Kashmir as it existed on 4th August 2019. Regional parties, the Jammu Kashmir PM and the PDF also supported the declaration paragraph. The centre's Kashmir strategy apparently assumed that mainstream parties had no popular support and would build once the heavy restriction on their leaders stayed long enough. Full stop. It also tried rather naively that a new cadre of politicians could be raised and a dramatic change in political culture achieved through external stimulants. Full stop. Defectors from the PDP and Panchayat leaders who won in an election boycotted by most parties completely failed to build any alternative politics. Full stop. The Kashmir policy has been a mix of reckless audacity and ignorance less, with the BJP brand of unitary nationalism. Full stop. Asymmetric power sharing with several regions, and the center has been critical to the formation and stability of the Indian Union. Full stop. The current government itself, which is ostensibly opposed two special arrangements negotiated on one with Nega rebels. Full stop. The centers has also reiterated there would be no alteration in any of the existing arrangement in the North Stream region. Full stop. In the case of Jammu Kashmir, the mainstream parties with deep social roots have always battered the region close to Indian. Full stop. The BJP and the center sought to delegitimize them all as soft separatists. They were immobilized and rendered vulnerable before their own people. These moves undermined all elementary principles of democracy and federalism, but also impaired what the center claimed it was doing: closer integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India. There is a need for immediate course correction. Jammu Kashmir statehood must be restored and political activities should be freely allowed for a star.